Got a little something there on your chin.
Got nothing. Monorail boat. Monorail boat. Huh? You like the boat? What are we doing? Ferry? Monorail. Ferry? Monorail.
Boat. A ferry.
Ferry it is.
Ferry boat. This is what we came for.
Spin it to the left, guys.
Alright, you guys. So, we're back at it again. I'm gonna take it out so you guys can see. Let's try this Mickey cinnamon roll. See if it's as delicious as it looks. Cutting is zero. It's happening.
You're evil.
Alright, let's take this bite. It's not as moist as
A little dry?
the one in Animal Kingdom. But it's definitely really good. It's just that I feel like the bread is a little dried out. So it's like harder to chew on. But I feel like this would be really good with like a coffee.
A little coffee? Alright. We're here at Brad's and Todd's, right next to the carousel. Having our first meal of the day after our cinnamon roll snack.
Because we had to start with the cinnamon roll.
Oh yeah, we have to. So they don't have the macaroni and cheese right now, but they do have this croissant with egg and bacon, and it comes with this souvenir hat. I guess it's for the tater tots, but it's like they're giving you the option to put them in there, and it's nice of them to keep it clean. I guess it's pretty nice. It doesn't take that much space because you can fold the ears. There we go. Boom. All right, but let's try this baby out.
Leave it in there.
Just leave it in there.
Yummy?
Oh yeah. I love it. When there's a sandwich and everything's hanging out.
Yeah, that's a real sandwich.
It's a real sandwich in there.
Bacon, egg, and what?
Bacon, egg, and cheese croissant with some lovely crispy tater tots.
Tater tots always remind me of school.
Yeah, but they're not super oily. They're not.
Good.
They're not chewy, crispy. Super nice, definitely for breakfast. If you don't want to make the long line at Starbucks / the cafe,
Oh yeah.
definitely come here. It's mobile order. We'll show you guys the menu so you guys can take a picture of it and look at the menu. Oh, hey there. What we got here?
Alright you guys, so we got some waffle, chicken and waffle with some coleslaw.
Sweet and spicy chicken.
And I'm gonna review it for you guys right
It's
now.
from Sleepy Hollow.
You guys, this is such a hard job to have.
Oh, and also comes with the chips.
Oh god, oh dang.
True. You gotta rock with it?
Tastes like syrup with buffalo like sauce.
Is it good though? Is it a good combination?
It's a weird combination for me. Oh damn, it's spicy.
Yeah.
Oh dang, you might think it's spicy. It has a kick to it. Oh, the first bite tasted more like the waffle, or like the initial was like a syrupy sweet, and at the end now, oh my god, now it feels like cayenne pepper.
I need help.
But really good, really good. Definitely recommend it. And look at this portion, it's huge.
Yes.
Definitely shareable, especially because it has the chips too. All right, you guys.
So, we're here at Sleepy Hollows again. And after that delicious chicken and waffles, I've been craving a funnel cake since Epcot. And we didn't get one in Epcot because we were so full, so much food. But now we're gonna try this. I wanted to try the waffle with Nutella and banana strawberry. They
But they don't have it, yeah.
So we'll try the next best thing. I love me some funnel cake. Some strawberries in there.
Strawberry and frosted or whipped cream?
Yeah, whipped cream. Oh man.
Does it taste freshly? Like
Tastes fresh. You just can never go wrong with a funnel cake. So good.
damn, you already went for a second bite.
Oh yeah. No, it's really good.
Sweet?
Nothing too crazy.
No? Okay.
Pretty good, solid funnel cake. They don't have a whole lot of crazy toppings, so
Yeah.
pretty good. Definitely recommend it if you're into funnel cakes.
And where is this one at? Sleeping Hollow?
Yeah, Sleepy Hollow's the same place. We got the waffles right next to the castle. If you're facing the castle towards the left. It's really good. We're gonna finish this up and keep going around the park.
Got a little something there on your chin.
Got nothing.
Guys, we just got my favorite. Last time we got the one on the stick. I'm gonna do the sandwich one this time. I just love the
Classic.
detail.
You can't
Yeah.
come at this meat and not get the Mickey ice cream. Oh yeah. So good.
It's cookies and cream, but so good.
And where we at?
So, oh, your phone just froze, but we're at Beco's Tall Inn Cafe. Beco's Bill Tall Tail Inn and Cafe. So it started raining and pouring here, so we had to run inside and get some food. Plus, it's time to eat again. So I got the carnitas bowl, which comes with pork, onions, peppers, black beans, and rice. Look at that combo.
And a little Thai salad.
Well, lechuga y tomate. So I'm gonna go ahead and try this. I don't even think we've been ever here, right? Like ever. So I'm gonna try this. Get a little bit of pork, get a little bit of rice, get a little bit of beans. The peppers are really strong. The carnita's really good. I don't know. I think it's missing tapatio.
Oh, a little hot sauce.
Missing a little hot sauce, but it has like a little kick to it. And the beans. What is this?
Oh, salsa?
Salsa? Oh, this is some pico. Let me try it again. Let me just make sure I give you guys my good review.
More better?
More better. It's really good. It's really good. Not overly salted. I feel like you go to a lot of Latino or Mexican spots to be overly salted, and it's not. So that's good. I definitely recommend it. It looked like they have a chicken one as well, which Enrique got. So if you're not into pork, they have a chicken one.
They had a
have some
fajita platter.
veggie. Yeah, they had a fajita platter.
And
they
a
had some
vegetarian
veggie.
bowl, yeah.
Yeah, vegetarian bowl. You got some options here, which is another vibe too. So if you're trying to get away from the rain,
Yes.
you're indoors and it's like
Empty.
yeah, like there's definitely enough room here. There was an outside sitting area that was packed, so I don't think people know that there's this area here.
Yeah. Well, we're gonna eat.
Alright, you guys, so we just went to go get this most popular. I've seen it every time we watch a YouTube video. It's called Kakamora Float with Tiki Zipper. So it looks like it's filled with Dole Whip, vanilla with coconut on top of pineapple juice, and blue garnish with a chocolate Kakamora cake pop. Yeah, so that's the cake pop. Look how cute the little face. Okay, let me try this. Oh, I was not expecting that.
Good.
Oh, so it's like an icy, and then the Dole Whip, and then the cake pop. I was about to just attack it. It tastes like, oh yeah, it's like coconut, right?
Yeah.
Or pineapple?
Yeah.
It tastes like a coconut with vanilla though. Like a vanilla ice cream with a layer of pineapple and coconut.
How's the drink though? Definitely good.
The
Worth it?
drink is like an icy, like a
You can see why people love it.
like a blue icy. It's really good.
Now the real
It's actually
question:
really
are you gonna buy that cake pop?
Facts. Of course, my horse. Where do I buy it? Mmm.
Disney and their cake pops.
Mmm.
So good.
That's good, but then I want some of this with that mix.
You're making a mess.
Oh, that's a cake. Be right back, guys. I'm sorry. It's a cake. Alright, you guys, cuéntalos. Where did you just get this from?
We just got here from Gaston's Tavern.
You
We're
guys,
gonna close it out with a banger.
banger.
Banger right before the fireworks show tonight. I don't know if we're ready for this.
This, like, put it next to your face. Yep, that's
This-
right.
That's really so
Show us a little-
There's no clean way to eat this.
No.
I had this before. It's my favorite
have?
snack of Magic Kingdom.
Oh.
But I mean, sometimes you just gotta.
Where do you, like, start?
Where your heart tells you to go.
Oh my god, look at that.
Oh man,
This is wild.
like you cannot leave the park. Look, this is
Look at
how
that.
heavy it is.
Enrique.
I know. You cannot leave the park without getting this garbage. A must have. But we're gonna close this out here. We're gonna go watch some fireworks tonight.
I had to take off my ears because it's been raining on and off, so I've been putting the hoodie on. But, oh my god, he's a mess. Enrique.
Yeah. I hope you guys enjoy the video. We're
Yes.
enjoying this, so
There's so much to try here, so do
yeah.
not leave without trying something you never tried before or something that you saw in this video.
just let us know what else you guys want us to do. Thanks for the support. Like, subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next one.